There's one more stitch we're going to learn called the purl stitch. Instead of keeping the yarn behind the work, we're going to bring the yarn to the front, bringing it between the needles, not over your needle. Normally for a knit stitch, we go into the stitch this way, but for a purl stitch, we're going to come from the other side. We're inserting the needle just under that front leg and staying on the front side of the holding needle. We're not going to poke through to the back like we do for a knit stitch. And now we wrap the yarn around the needle from top to bottom and pull it through behind the needle. Then when you set the stitch free, you're going to see this little purl bump. Again, I'm keeping my yarn in the front. I'm poking the needle into the loop, wrapping the yarn around, and then pulling the stitch through to the back. Now this is how we do it when we're knitting continental. Let's show you English style. Bring the yarn to the front under the needle without bringing it over the needle. Insert the needle into the stitch purlwise. Wrap the yarn around from top to bottom and pull the stitch through to the back. Now purl to the end of the round and then alternate over the next 4 rounds. Knit round, purl round, knit round, purl round.